What's good, guys? Today we are going to be seeing if rifles' best loadouts are actually good in animal rifles. The loadout is sniper, revolver, knife.
Brother, this guy stinks!
I just got front here. I just got hit with two. What are you doing? That brother. Hide? Nah, bro, I think I'm gonna. Well, yeah, he got most of the damage. Get front. Turn it! Oh, Jackie, you can't run! I died. Yo, I was already low though. I'm just gonna give myself a break. Am I one? Hold up.